Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this brand new Apple TV HD 1080p. I just picked it up off a seller off of Kijiji.ca's website. I went to a house in the town about an hour away from me and I picked it up. I got it because I just recently purchased a TV. It's a Sony XBR9. The TV is roughly about 11 years old, and I wanted to buy the TV about 11 years ago when it was brand new and just came out, but I bought it towards the end of its model cycle and there was no more stock available for me to buy, and the only one that I actually found was a demo model which was still available for the full price, even though it's been used for about a year's time and they never actually turned it off. It was on the whole time, so therefore it was not worth the full price for it. I gave him an offer, it declined, so I never got a TV. Now fast forward 11 years later, I finally got the TV. I got it 6 inches bigger than I initially wanted. I wanted a 40 inch and now I just got a 46 inch. So I got a bigger one. Took about 11 years later for me to get it, but I finally got it. It did not come with an actual TV remote though, but that didn't really matter to me. I just wanted the TV, but the power cord though came with it, so I got it. Without further ado, on to the video. All new Apple TV. There's no marking here, no marking here, no marking there, no marking there. What was Apple thinking? I don't know. All there is just the actual Apple TV logo here. Okay. The back here it says model number, Apple TV. And some words, okay, UPC number, model number, Energy Star compliant, 32 GB, and the rest. Alright guys, let's go ahead and now unbox this Apple TV for you. There we go, alright. Nothing in there, perfect. Okay, first off here we have the actual Apple TV serial remote. Let's go ahead and open it. So satisfying, okay. And there it is. Put that off to the side. Okay, we have the touchpad here. Okay, menu button, TV button, Siri button, play and pause button, volume rocker switch up and down. Okay, the bottom glass here is not used. You just have it with your hand on it, I guess. Okay, perfect. And the main event, the actual Apple TV. Perfect. Let's go ahead now and take it to the packaging. So satisfying. Some ASMR there for you guys. Okay, put it off to the side. Has a back circular sticker on it. Wow, nice Apple logo design. Nice rubber back here. I love it. Okay, and one more sticker for the ports. Got a pull tab. Pulls all the way around. There you go. Perfect. There it is, Apple TV. And the ports are all back here. Okay, I've got like a power port, a lightning port, HDMI port, and an Ethernet port. Okay, and that's it. The other sides are all closed off. Alright, put it out here. Okay, next up, take this thing out. Okay, saying here, booklet here. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Okay. This is a quick start guide. Alright guys, wonderful. Same thing but in French, the French version. We don't really care too much about that, okay. Apple TV info booklet. 2 pages. There you go, wonderful. Again, in French but of course, the actual Apple stickers. Perfect. Okay, we always need these with our Apple products. Let's go ahead now and put it all back together. And there it is, okay. And last but not least in the box so far, on this side at least, is the actual lightning cable, okay? So lightning to USB-A. Alright, it's quite long, not too short, perfect. I guess you can charge the actual remote with that, okay. And then on this side here is the actual power cable for the actual Apple TV itself. Let's go ahead and pull it out, very tight in there. Okay, there it goes, comes out. Okay. Stuffed in there very tightly. There you go. And it too, it's wrapped up in plastic. There you go. Okay. And there's the actual cable. It's a nice long cable. So one end is your actual North American style plug. You plug it into your outlet wall. And the other side is the actual plug for the back of the Apple TV. Wonderful. It's nice and long. I'd say it's about 1.5 to 2 meters long. It's pretty long in length. Okay. And it plugs in the back of the Apple TV right here. All the way in hard. Perfect. So there you have it, guys. The Apple TV HD Series 4 model, non-4K, unboxed. That effectively concludes the video. This is Mr. Greet 2002. Please do not forget to drop a big like on this video and subscribe to my channel for future Apple content. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next upload.